Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new here, my name is Mtalii, and on this channel we are all about how to make money online, how to work remotely, and how to get legit online jobs so that you can afford the travel lifestyle. So if any of these topics are of interest to you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, please remember to also hit the notification bell so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. So without much further ado, in today's video we are going to talk about the different ways that YouTubers make money. So yes, people actually shoot videos, upload them on YouTube, and make money from their videos. So the number one way that YouTubers make money is by shooting videos, posting them on YouTube, getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, and then subscribing to what they call YouTube Partner Program. So what is basically YouTube Partners Program is whereby you allow YouTube to put advertisements on your videos, and for you to be able to have YouTube put advertisements on your videos, then you need at least the 1,000 subscribers and you need at least 4,000 hours watch time in the last 365 days. And what happens is that once YouTube puts advertisement on your videos and your viewers watch the said videos, then YouTube pays you a commission. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel and are wondering, how do I get my first 1,000 subscribers? How do I get my first 4,000 hours watch time? Then you need to check this video up here where I break down for you 10 different tips that I personally used to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and my first 4,000 hours watch time. The number two way in which YouTubers make money on YouTube is by asking for their fans to donate. So you've probably seen whereby a YouTuber is probably doing like a live video and they're like, hey guys, please remember to send me some super chat. So basically a super chat is whereby on the process of a live video, you send your YouTuber some money, and it could be €5, 10, 100, 200, whatever amount of money you want to send. Alternatively, you must have seen also in some YouTubers description section where they say, hey, you can support my channel by donating to the following PayPal address or the following Mpesa number. So that's the number two way in which YouTubers make money, by soliciting for the funds from their viewers. The number three way that YouTubers make money is through sponsorships and brand mention. This is whereby, for example, if Mtalii has grown to this huge channel with so many followers and so many fans, and different brands will ask me to either review their products or services or to mention their products or services in return for a monetary gain. The number four way that YouTubers make money is through what they call affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is essentially whereby you promote another person's products or services in exchange for a commission without increasing the price for the final buyer. So for example, in my case, I promote different affiliate products like booking.com, I promote bluehost.com, I promote Airbnb. So if you check in the description box of my videos, you will find, for example, where I say, hey, sign up for Airbnb today and get $25 off of your accommodation. So if you sign up through my Airbnb link, for example, and you actually go and stay at a hotel, then Airbnb will pay me some commission at no extra price to you. The number five way in which YouTubers make money on YouTube is by becoming influencers. So basically an influencer is whereby you could team up with, let's say, Fly Safari Link, or you can team up with Rover's Whale, for instance, and then you showcase their property or showcase their airline, showcase their service to your audience, and they pay you some money. So those are the five ways in which YouTubers can make money, and those are the 5 different ways in which I've made money on YouTube. Let me know what you think about these different methods in the comments below, and thank you for staying up to the very end. I look forward to meeting you on the next video.